Somewhere out in outer space, there's a world no walls, no hands.
Hello, this is Tony,
Hi, I'm Amanda.
and we're doing a collab for our segment, Adulting. And today we're on our way to meet Sia, our friend who's just a nurse, in order to help her do her taxes. And if you're new here,
Subscribe. Also,
hey!
follow us on our social media account.
This is Sia, and we're gonna teach her how to do her taxes today.
Okay, so you don't have to pay attention to any other columns other than this column right here, which is your employee share. So this is for the SSS contribution. So you earn 15,250 monthly for a nurse. It's your column right here. So your share is 563.20 pesos, which is this one.
That's your SSS.
Yeah. And then for the pag-ibig, it's always 100, like regardless of what your salary is. This is the PhilHealth table before the train law. So your salary is right here. So in salary bracket number 887.50, which is right here. Okay, do you follow?
Yes.
Okay. So you add this all together. Yeah, so you add this all together, and then you would subtract everything from your gross salary. Okay?
Okay.
Right, so once you do that, it's 14,399.3. Right, so now we will look at the old withholding tax table. So you're single. So this is where you would look. So this is your taxable income. So you would subtract 10,000. This is your column right here. Yeah, because your taxable income is 14,399.3. Subtract 10,000. Yeah. And then this is what you'll get. Then after that, do you see this 20% over? You will multiply 20%. So you multiply 20%, which you'll get 879.86. And after that, you would add this part right here. So it's 708.33. Okay, so this is the 733. So when you add that, this will be your withholding tax. So we'll put it here. So after that, you will subtract this to your taxable income, which you'll get 12,811.8. So now we'll teach her how to compute for the new one, the one that was implemented recently, so that you can have a comparison of the books under the
So this is your monthly salary, and we're gonna first compute for your social security deduction. So given that they didn't change, you're still under this bracket and you'll still be paying 563.20, which is this one. Then for pag-ibig, they had easier computation, where since your salary is 15,000, you're over 1,500. So we're gonna multiply it to 2%, then we're gonna get 305. Unlike before, you get your pag-ibig is just 100, no matter what your salary is. This time, we have to get for your PhilHealth. And this time, it's also easier, given that the table has gotten easier as well. So, the bracket of your salary is under this one. So, that's gross pay, which is 15,250 times 2.75 divided by 2. Alright? So, you're gonna get 209.69. For with your withholding tax, given that your salary is below 20,833, which is the condition, you're not gonna be deducted with anything. Alright? So you have 0 here. Now you add this 3 years SSS, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and withholding tax. Then you subtract it to your monthly salary, which is 15,250, and you would get 14,172.11 net pay, which is more than what he had before.
Alright, having taught Sia everything, what have you noticed or your insights about it?
The difference that I noticed with the new salary law is that first, it has a higher take-home pay. So second, it has a simpler way of computing for our taxes, and it has a fair system. Third is that it's easier to understand and do. But on the other hand, the con that
Why are you not smiling, please?
the con that I have noticed is that there is no consideration for those who have dependents.
Alright, so we're done. Subscribe.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. Today we will tackle a brief background on the chain law and how to compute for your semi-monthly taxes, both the old and new system. But first, I made a collab with Tony about the withholding tax old and new system for monthly salary earners, and make sure to check that out. First, we will tackle on what's under the chain law. The Tax Reform Acceleration Inclusion Law includes a more simplified version of the tables, and it made it more beneficial for income taxpayers. It also lowers estate tax. On the other hand, higher taxes for fuel and gas, electricity, vehicles, tobacco, and sweets or any unhealthy products are put on. And lastly, it also removes tax exemptions for lotto winners. Now moving on to how to compute for your net pay using the old system. First, you would use the SSS Pag-ibig PhilHealth tables. The SSS table would show if you have a salary of 40,800, in the SSS table you would get 583 pesos. And then for Pag-ibig, it is 100 pesos for everybody. And while the PhilHealth table would show you 437 pesos, 0.50 cents. And then you combine all of this and divide them by 2. Then you will get 559.40 pesos. You will subtract this to your 40,800 pesos and you will get 40,240.60. Then, when you see the withholding tax table, you would see this number 23,958. That's where you are included. And then when you subtract that, you'll get 16,282.60. Just to note that you have to look at the semi-monthly columns so you can see all these numbers, which I'll show in the screen. So the 16,282.6, you have to multiply that by 32% as shown in the table. And afterwards, you will get 5,210.43 pesos. Then you'll add 5,208.33 as seen in the table, and you'll get 10,418.76 pesos, which is your withholding tax. Then afterwards, your taxable income, which is 40,240.60, you will have to subtract your withholding tax. So you'll get 29,821.84 pesos as your net pay. Now moving on to the new system. So again, you would have to install your SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. So the SSS table did not change. So all you have to do is put the same thing that you put on the old system, which is 581.30. Then for the Pag-ibig, you have to multiply 2% as seen in the new table that they have released. So you'll get 816 pesos. And for the PhilHealth, they also have a new simplified version, which I'll also show you, and you'll get 550 pesos. And then again, you will add all of this and divide it by 2. You will get 973.65 pesos, which you will subtract this to your gross salary, which again is 40,800. Then you'll get 39,826.35. Afterwards, you have to deduct 33,333 So you will see this in the table that I will show, and of course mind you again that you have to look at the semi-monthly columns. So then afterwards, subtracting that, you'll get 6,493.35, which again you will have to multiply 30%, which you'll see in the table. Then you'll get 1,949.005. Then you'll add the 5,416.67, which again you'll see in the table. Afterwards, you will get a withholding tax of 7,364.66, which you'll deduct to your taxable income. So you'll get 32,461.69 as your net pay. So I hope I made this explanation clear, and that I hope it made it easier for you guys to understand. So make sure to subscribe, check out Tony's channel, check out the video that we made along with Zia. So thank you and have a good day.